Find or read reviews that people are talking about SWEETFULL space heater for indoor use. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Enhanced safety features. The SWEETFULL portable heater prioritizes safety with built-in overheating protection. It also features an automatic 2 to 8 hours power-off function when accidentally tipped over, ensuring a safer heating experience. Elegant bladeless design. The bladeless design of this space heater adds a touch of sophistication to your home. Perfect for small spaces, whether it's in your home, office, or dorm room, this room heater complements any decor while providing efficient heating. Durable and powerful. Crafted from V0 grade refractory material, this indoor space heater is built to last. The PTC ceramic heating element quickly heats up within 2 seconds, delivering powerful warmth quietly with noise levels under 35 decibels. LED heating modes. Experience the latest technology with LED heating modes. This electric space heater offers a high heat mode of 1000 W and a medium heat mode of 800 Watt, allowing you to customize and enjoy the desired level of warmth. Energy efficient. Compared to traditional heaters, this desk heater provides faster and more efficient heating, effectively reducing energy consumption. Lower your thermostat and save on energy bills while enjoying a cozy and comfortable environment. Exquisite heater Christmas gifts for women or men. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.